Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, my name is Muhammad Rizky Ansori, and today I would like to tell you about speech in a notion global warming. And yeah, let's get straight to it. Global warming is a harm to ecosystem on Earth due to the process of increasing the average temperature of the atmosphere, sea, and land on Earth. The triggering factor for global warming is carbon emission from deforestation, which account for nearly 20%. Indonesia is a country with the highest rate of forest destruction in the world. In Indonesia, more forest destruction results from the process of converting forest function from HPH to HTI areas, mining, extractive industry, and large scale of oil palm plantation. Global warming that is happening in Indonesia has a serious impact on uncertain climate change. For example, changes in the beginning of the dry season and the rainy season. Indonesia ratified the Paris Agreement in 2016 through the law number 16 of 2016. In addition, Indonesia has announced plans to reduce emission in NDCs with a commitment to reduce greenhouse gas emission by up to 29% without condition and up to 41% with condition from business as usual emissions. Forest has contributed to climate balance, reducing pollution, reducing absorbing of carbon dioxide, and reducing global warming. The threat of forest destruction will clearly have an enormous negative impact due to the El Nino effect of forest loss, especially in areas that have large ecological and biodiversity functions. The expansion of oil palm plantation is the first cause of deforestation in Malaysia and Indonesia. Simultaneously, deforestation rates have increased dramatically in both countries in recent years. In Malaysia, there was an increase of 86% between 1990 and 2000, and between 2000 and 2005 when oil palm plantation expanded by up to 4.2 million hectares. In Indonesia, with the largest area planted with palm oil, has the world's largest rate of tropical forest destruction. And how we overcome this issue, how we could cope with the global warming, this is the answer. The very first way to overcome global warming is to limit the use of cars and motorbike, because the carbon dioxide that produced by car, it could affect the atmosphere. Okay, you can use cars and motorbikes only for long distance. For short distance, you can start with walking, or you can start with a bicycle. Okay, and then minimize the use of equipment containing CFC. What is CFC? CFC is some part in the product that could affect the emission, the gas emission. Okay, turn off electronic device when not in use, and you could reuse. You could use glass coffee cup instead of disposable cups like those made of plastic and styrofoam. You can reuse plastic bags and other storage container. Those ways are a way to overcome these issues. So maybe guys, you can start from now. Okay guys, maybe that's all for me. That was a speech for me about global warming. So you can learn from that. You can make a better way to live in this world. Okay, that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.